Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Roblox with error code 403 that is usually accompanied by the error message that an error was encountered during authentications. Please try again. And basically, when your computer is unable to connect to the Roblox servers, and then I'll show you how to resolve it. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So, all you have to do is to clear the Roblox cache. Kung paano ba natin yan gawin? So, all you have to do is on your keyboard, press the Windows key plus letter R. So, pagsabayin mo lang yan. And then pop up itong run. Okay, so dito sa box ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na %updata%. Okay, so i-type mo lang yung command keyword na %updata%. So one word lahat yan and a small letter, and then click mo lang dito yung OK. And then madadirect tayo dito sa updata setting. So ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito or hanapin mo dito yung Roblox folder. Okay, so once nahanap mo na siya, or for example i-click mo lang yan, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung open. So once na open mo na yung Roblox folder, so ang next step, so kailangan mo lang i-delete lahat yung kanyang content permanently. Press mo lang yung Ctrl plus E para ma-select lahat yung kanyang content, and then dito sa taas ay click mo lang dito yung delete. Alright, so once nagawa mo na yan, and then next solution na pwede natin gawin, so dito lang sa search menu and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na dsym space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health. So copy lang natin yan. And next step, so dito lang sa taas, kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung edit, and then click mo lang dito yung paste, or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl plus B, and then click mo lang yan, and then press mo lang yung enter. So makikita mo na dito na deployment, image, servicings, and management tool. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. Okay, so makikita mo na dito na the operations completed successfully. And next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang yung command keyword na sfc space /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word yan, and press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan, this process will take some time, beginning verification space up system scan. So dito ay kailangan ulit natin na hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. And next step, so close lang natin tong CMD at dito lang sa start menu, at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix Roblox with error code 403 authentication spelled in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.